Growing food in our cities, a green adventure. Have you ever seen a garden right in the middle of a bustling city? That is called urban food growing. People plant delicious food like spinach, juicy tomatoes, crunchy carrots, and sweet strawberries in all sorts of city spaces. This helps make sure everyone has yummy, healthy food, especially when it is expensive or hard to find in stores. Growing food saves families money and teaches kids like us how plants grow from tiny seeds. Urban gardening also brings people together, making our communities stronger and greener. Sometimes it is tricky, though, because cities do not have much space or water, and gardens need looking after. But people get super creative. They grow food on rooftops, in tall vertical gardens, and even in water without soil. These clever ways, like hydroponics, let plants grow big and strong, using nutrient-rich water instead of dirt. Farmers also use compost, which is like recycled food scraps, to make super rich soil for their plants. New technologies like drones help farmers check on plants, and solar power waters the gardens. So next time you are in the city, look closely. You might spot a hidden garden full of delicious surprises. Maybe you will even be inspired to start your own little urban garden. Happy farming!